So how can you draw in a Photoshop on an iPad? Let's get it started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. First of all, Photoshop hasn't been like really designed for drawing on the iPad, but I guess it works, right? So make sure you open up the iPad, make sure you start and like log in and everything and go to a new project, right? And what you need to do is that make sure that you have the new layer like selected on the side, so make sure that the side panel shows up. Tap on the plus button in a square to make new layer appear, and now you can locate the brush tool on the opposite side, right? So on the left panel, you can see we have the brush tool, which when you click on, you can see it lets you select the color, the thickness, right? And all of the other things in here as well, even opacity. And right now you can just grab your finger or even an Apple Pencil and start drawing on the canvas. Keep in mind, however, that you can tap the brush tool one more time for the brush types to appear, right? So you perhaps want to choose a different style. There are actually so many of them that you have even the ability to like import them from the files if you have, or even to discover new styles on the internet and import those, right? So there are plenty of options which you can explore, but that's how you can basically draw on the iPad. So if it works, hit the thumbs up, but I just really wanted to say that there are other like apps which are perhaps a little bit better for drawing, like the Procreate, or I don't know, for notes. You can also use like GoodNotes. So plenty of tools available, but let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in those upcoming videos.